Welcome to Tech in the Car. I'm here at the Goodwood Festival of Speed and I'm about to go out with Lamborghini in a Huracan EVO up the Goodwood hill climb. Now, Huracan EVO has been around for a couple of years now, but even if you have one, you probably haven't been on the hill climb at the Goodwood Festival of Speed. So I'm very, very excited to get the opportunity. Big thank you to Lamborghini. So join me on this adventure as we go up the hill climb in the Huracan EVO. And by the way, it's raining, so it's a great test of the four-wheel drive system here at Goodwood.
Yeah, it's tricky today though. It's really slippery.
And over the finish line.
That's it, over the finish line.
So one of the cool things you can do in the Lamborghini Huracan EVO is you can use Alexa. So Alexa, adjust the lighting to red.
Okay.
There we go.
Alexa, where's the nearest Lamborghini dealer?
I found a few nearby ones. There's Lamborghini London, 38.4 miles away on London Road.
There's also one in Germany. Alexa, show me the dynamics coordinator.
Okay.
So you can bring up your driving information on the screen in here with your voice. So that is a little demonstration of Alexa with the lighting. Alexa, I'm hot. And the aircon is now turned on. So you can use Alexa to control your LDVI system and to control the ambient lighting and the temperature and get directions and make phone calls as well. I don't know if anybody's ever shown that in a Lamborghini before, but here we go in the Huracan EVO. As you can see, there's quite a few cars in front of us. We got our Huracan STO to the right. To the left, we have an Aventador Altimé, and then we've got two Porsches in front. There's a 296 Ferrari GTB, a Kia EV6, and then there's a Polestar 2 at the front there. So if I want to change, I can press the button to change the mode and go to Corsa, Sport, and Strada. And then we've got all the buttons along here which are very nice and clicky and feel good to touch. Anyway, let's get back down the hill now and see what it's like. Okay. We're going back down the hill course here at Goodwood. And this car is a lot of fun to drive. Coming up the hill, I've never been on the Goodwood circuit before. I've had a big thank you to my expert driver next to me here. Thank you very much.
No problem.
And cameraman as well. If he gets bored of Lamborghini, then he can make videos for me. I don't think it's much fun though. And we're going, anyway, we're going down. Can you just sort of show that for a second, please, so we can see where we're going? And we got the STO in front of us here. And
so this gives a perspective of how tight the circuit is, you know, with straw bales either side, very uneven road surface.
and wet today as well.
It's a bit wet this morning. I mean, I think for a first run up the hill, first time in a Lamborghini, literally thrown in the car 30 seconds before driving, it was quite a respectable effort.
Thank you very much. I'm sure I'm not in the leaderboard, but it was a lot of fun, and thank you. You know, it is very tight, and there's obviously lots of other cars around, and it's a lot of fun coming up here. And you know, not many people get the opportunity to drive up the hill course. And it does make a really good noise. So I mean, yeah, it's a lot of fun driving here. Not everybody gets the opportunity to come and drive on the course here, so a big thank you to Lamborghini again. And yeah, this is a great place. So if you haven't been to the Goodwood Festival of Speed, I would recommend you join and come along if you can. glad I'm not paying for the petrol. So I want to talk about the driving for a second of this car. So this is obviously a four-wheel drive car with that amazing V10. It makes lots of great noises, and it's very precise when you turn in. And sounds really, really good. So that was a lot of fun driving the Huracan EVO here at Goodwood. Thank you very much everyone for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.